How to connect Hume Band. If you've just got a Hume Band and you're wondering how to connect it to your phone, the most important thing to know is that you should pair it through the Hume app, not directly through your phone's Bluetooth menu. I'll walk you through the correct setup process and also show you what to check if your band isn't connecting. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Before you start, make sure your Hume band has enough battery. For first-time setup, Hume recommends fully charging the band to activate it. Place the band on its charging dock, connect the USB Type-C charging cable and let it charge. A solid green indicator means charging is complete. Next, download the Hume app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and either create a new Hume account or sign in to your existing account. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Keep the Hume band close to your phone during the pairing process. If necessary, press and hold the button on the band to make sure it is ready for pairing. If you're a new Hume user, the app's onboarding and setup wizard should automatically guide you through connecting the Hume band. If you already have a Hume account, open the Hume app and go to the Me section. Look for Paired Devices, Pair Device, or Add New Device, depending on the version of the app you're using. Select the Hume band when it appears and follow the instructions on the screen. One important mistake to avoid is trying to pair the Hume band manually from your phone's normal Bluetooth settings. Hume specifically instructs users to complete the pairing process inside the Hume app. Once pairing is complete, the Hume band communicates with your phone using Bluetooth and can sync its health and activity information with the app. The band itself does not connect directly to Wi-Fi. Internet-based syncing is handled through your connected smartphone. If your Hume band isn't showing up, first confirm that Bluetooth is enabled and that the Hume app has permission to access Bluetooth. Hume also recommends making sure location services are enabled. Try closing and reopening the Hume app and toggle Bluetooth off and back on. If that still doesn't work, restart your phone and make sure you have the latest version of the Hume app installed. For a previously paired band that's having connection problems, you can also go to Me, then Paired Devices, forget or disconnect the Hume band and go through the pairing process again. Hume also recommends restarting the band by pressing and holding its button for around 10 seconds if normal troubleshooting doesn't restore the connection. And remember, if you factory reset the Hume band through the app, Hume says you'll need to place it on the charger again to reactivate it. So the key takeaway is simple. Charge the Hume band, install and open the Hume app, enable Bluetooth and the required permissions. And pair the band from inside the Hume app rather than through your phone's Bluetooth menu. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video and you can find the product link in the description. If this guide helped you connect your Hume band, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more Hume band setup and troubleshooting guides.